Do you want to show your friends exactly where you are? Right inside Instagram Notes. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to share your location in Instagram Notes, so everyone can see where you're hanging out. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap your profile picture at the top to create a new note. Add picture which you want to share. Now tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen. A pop-up menu will appear. Find and tap on location. Now find your location and select it. The location sticker will appear on your story. You can resize it and move it anywhere on the screen. Now tap share. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.